Hey everyone, Kyle Aaron here. I'm hoping everybody is safe and sound at home, taking time for your mental and physical health. That is key. But if you're anything like me, you're finding yourself with lots of free time. And as an interior designer, it is a blessing to have this opportunity to work on some DIY projects around the house that you just otherwise would not have time for. So let's get into it. Luckily, I had a lot of paint lying around from previous projects. We live on a cottage on the water, and paint has been a really valuable tool to transform the space to reflect that. So here we are. This is the wall we're going to address today. I really wanted to paint some kind of geometric pattern, but unfortunately the walls are not very smooth, they're very textured, they're very uneven, so I think I might have to do something that's a little more organic looking. And I also see you looking at that missing button on the sofa. Don't you worry about that. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. It only took an hour and very little paint. But is there something missing? Flowers! I actually foraged these from the garden today. Overall, I'm very pleased with the final product. I made use of materials I had at home. It was simple, it's effective, easy to replicate. All you really need is a paintbrush, a little bit of paint, and a really good Natalie Cole playlist. I hope this inspires you to tackle some of your own fun projects at home. Feel free to send me photos, updates. In the meantime, stay safe out there, everyone.